Hello YouTube, this is Michael with Certified Professional Electricians. I just wanted to show you why homeowners shouldn't change your own outlets. You've got a neutral hooked up at the top screw, a ground hooked up at the next neutral screw, and then the other neutral on the ground screw. Now, you got the black ones right. But we have a little problem with that one. And the outlets are not working. So, that's all I have. If you got something as simple as outlet that needs to be changed, call a licensed electrician, preferably Certified Professional Electricians if you're in the North Georgia or Metro Atlanta area. The telephone number is 404-434-5570, or you can book an appointment online at my website at www.cpegeorgia.com. That's www.cpegeorgia.com. Thanks, and have a good day.